was an awesome BMT. What'd you think? It was a good time, but I had a little bit too much till drink. Let's check the footage. Let's do it.
How many first timers do we have? Alright.
Say you won't leave me. I know it's too easy to run away. To run away. I know you wanted this. I never wanted this to end. But now we're going down. Whoa. Picking up the pieces that we left here, we just left here.
No way of knowing where to go now, go now, go now. Where to go now, go now, go now. No way of knowing where to go.
And I don't know
where to go now, go now, go now. Where to go now, go now, go now. No way of knowing where to go now, go now, go now. Where to go now, go
How's it going, mate? Right, real quick. I have to inspect something really quick.
Go for it. What's up?
Wait, is this up the spec? Oh, this is 2014, man. This one. CL, I might need some help, man.
About his power level. You. I'm just here for more support. It's over 9,000! Yes.
Yes.
Good night, weed.
Holy shit, what have I done? Mayonnaise and the mustard, you get into the lettuce, and if you get in the lettuce, it gets to ketchup, and we don't want ketchup, so...